The green line is stopping on a unnecessarily place. Might there be any problem? It's out of station from Rohri station, green line Dn. It's going to be 7 a.m. of 16 April 2023. It's moving now and increasing its speed. It's going for Karachi. It has to cover 480 kilometers up to Karachi, and there is only one stop for it at Hyderabad Junction. There it stops 15 minutes. Mashallah, very beautiful compartments of Green Line DN. But there is a little higher than that of the other trains. But you will travel very comfortably in this train. It has increased its speed. Might the driver be thinking in his mind for the late?